Hey y'all, it's your girl lakadrialifevlog Life Vlog. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of my new Insta360 vlogging camera. This is the creator's bundle. I've been going back and forth on what type of camera I wanted to purchase because my first vlogging camera finally gave out on me. So it was time for a new vlogging camera. Um, this one is very small, very compact, very durable than the one that I originally wanted to purchase, which is the DJI Osmosis camera. But this one I chose. So out of the entire creators bundle, these will be the accessories that I'll be using on a daily basis, which is the mic, of course, the pendant, the clip, and of course the tripod, the charger, and the charger for the mic. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It'll be greatly appreciated. Until next time, bye.